Now hold your horses, partner. If you're splashing around in the ocean like a busted washing machine, you're sending out invitations you don't want answered. Fast, frantic splashes mimic the movements of injured prey, and that's exactly the kind of commotion that grabs the attention of curious predators. Barracuda, reef sharks. And even those grumpy triggerfish will come cruising over just to see who's struggling in their watering hole. They ain't hunting you specifically. They're just checking out the ruckus. But trust me, partner, you don't want a toothy visitor showing up because you kicked like a panicked rodeo calf. First rule, move smooth and steady, like a cowboy gliding through saloon doors. Slow, controlled motions tell the ocean you're calm, confident, and not on the menu. Second rule, stay relaxed if something swims close. Most sea critters are just nosy neighbors trying to figure out who's splashing up their front yard. Remember this underwater? The quiet folks stay out of trouble. The louder and splashier you are, the more attention you attract. And in the ocean, attention ain't always a blessing, partner. If you made this far, then you love our content. Please subscribe and hit the like button. See you on the next video. Stay tuned.